Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting both ends ready. Power on the Xbox and connect it to the same Wi-Fi as your phone or PC. This avoids NAT conflicts and lag. Once done, open the Xbox app and sign in with the same Microsoft account you use on console so your devices can pair. Next, on the console, enable remote features in settings under Devices and Connections. This authorizes connections and sets streaming quality. These steps establish the secure link you'll use to control the console remotely. Now you'll actually connect and tune settings for a smooth remote control experience. In the Xbox app, tap the console icon, choose Connect, and pick your console from the discovered devices so you establish a session. Then adjust streaming quality and bandwidth limits. Lower resolution reduces lag on slow networks, while higher settings improve image clarity. Make choices based on your connection. Pair your controller through Bluetooth or USB, and test button mapping and latency in the app. That ensures input is Finish by launching a remote session. Choose Stream or Remote Control, and use on-screen options for powering down, captures, or keyboard input when needed. Make sure to end sessions cleanly by disconnecting or closing the app so the console can enter sleep or accept local controllers without conflict. If something goes wrong, restart the console and your device first. Confirm both are on the same network. Check for system and app updates, and verify NAT type. These steps resolve most connection and latency problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.